I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we...
Hi guys, so welcome back, and today I'm going to be vlogging because I'm going to the Royal Armouries in Leeds today, and I'm also going to Pizza Express for some lunch. Even though I don't really like pizza because of the cheese, they don't put, you can ask them not to put the cheese on. I really love the dough balls. So, yes. So we're going to Pizza Express to eat for lunch after we've been to the Royal Armouries, so I thought I'd vlog. I'm not sure if I'm going to actually be able to vlog inside the museum, but I can definitely vlog the outside of the museum. I'd be like, I'm here, and then I'm out, and like tell you. I mean, I think I've been there before, but I might be off because I went to Winchester Castle, so I might be thinking Winchester Castle, but I doubt I am. And I've been on FaceTime because we did a FaceTime sleepover thing. I'll explain it. And I've had to write this note for please when you wake up. Good morning, Holly. Because basically she hadn't seen it yet, and we're still on, so I didn't want to like cut it off. Might as well get 12 hours in. I mean, that's even if my iPad stays charged, because the charge has been going down all day. Yeah, I thought it was going to stay charged, but oh well. When it dies, it dies. I need to... So yeah, I'm just doing that, and then... yeah, I'm having fun. I don't really know what to say, to be honest. Bye. Vlogging on my phone again just so I don't want to look at the camera around with me in Leeds. So I thought I'm going to vlog on Snapchat, so again it'll be like like that other one, but oh well. Got new storage on my phone, so cameras and stuff, so I'm sorry, and I'm really annoyed, but I'm still going to film on my phone. Soft drinks with it, and then Mum goes, so there, it's my baby, that apple pear. I want that. I just wanted like a Sprite or something, but no, I cannot have that. It won't let me. And she won't even let me get a pizza after I'll do the kids' meal. I just Pizza Express have to be so bloody expensive. I could have had a nice pizza. And the kids' meals are like proper small. Like, ugh. Okay guys, so I'm back. If I had my camera when I was there, I would have filmed a lot more footage. I didn't know if you'd be able to take photography or not, so I didn't bother actually taking the camera. If I ever go back again, I will definitely take the camera. And I might just not even go back for the Royal Armouries. It was a really, really, really nice like place with lots of photo opportunities and stuff. The Leeds Dock, that's what it was called, and then the claw, I don't know what it really is. Next time I go, I'll show you. Pizza Express is a like dip off, no joke. It's It's a proper rip-off, but oh well, it's nice. When you have to make them little dough balls and make them, they're pretty much just dough and wrapped in balls, aren't they? But yeah, now it's like 2 o'clock and I don't know what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. I'm going to try plan something, but that'll probably go down the drain. So I'm just watching YouTube that I've missed while I've been out, because I miss YouTube when I'm out and it's 2 o'clock. And yeah, let's boop. I'm just watching Saffron now. So yeah, I left this little note because me and Tally were on FaceTime, obviously, like I said, and I left that little note for it lasted. We had a 14-hour and 18-minute long call, so I'm guessing it lasted quite a long time when I'd left. So yeah, right, bye. I'm watching Dance Camp because I just found it and I was like Nikki Dimar's in it, Gabby Dimar, well, DiMartino, Meg D'Angeli. Says it right for once, hey! So yeah, I'm just watching Dance Camp because why wouldn't you? It's an awesome TV movie, and I saw it and I was like, but it's weird to see like Nikki and Gabby not on YouTube but see them in the movie, acting like not themselves, acting nothing like themselves at all. So yeah.
Yes. We got all sorts of crews here. You name it, we got it. Nice job.
This is like the best drink you could ever have. It's ginger ale, but basically it's fizzy ginger. So if you don't like ginger, you're not gonna really like it. But I love it. It's so nice. It's very gingery, but I like ginger. And now I am watching, because why not? So yeah. Okay guys, I've got a face mask on. What? So the face mask is off. I just cleansed my face, which I probably shouldn't touch. I moisturised it as well. Just going to try and keep care of my skin throughout the summer. Because when I go back to school, obviously back to school and people see you more, and like people see like your little spots and stuff more. It don't really bother me. I just want to have good, nice skin and to be moisturised. So yeah, I put this moisturiser on, which was supposed to kind of tan me, but so I didn't. Anyway, what time is it? I don't even know what time it is. What's wrong with mine? I didn't. Oh, got a lot of messages. I didn't even think about like not being able to drink my ginger ale when I had the face mask on. So still got some. Nice. Now I'm gonna keep watching this, and yeah. Can't turn it off because I only got. Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. It's a little better than our vlogs have been lately. So I really hope you enjoyed. There's been a lot of music and a lot of panning, but we'll go with it. So I was just doing like stationery, looking online. I think I'm gonna do. I need to buy like stationery. I need to revamp my bag. I actually really want to get a new bag because that's my school bag. But like I'm sick. I'm actually like I'm quite annoyed that I decided to get like a handbag because I just can't. No handbag. Oh, definitely not the right choice, and I've learnt that now because I've swapped between backpack, handbag. I'm going back to backpack, and I really want this one from ASOS. I'm not going to show you it though because I don't want anybody copying me. So yeah, yeah. If you want what's in my school bag, then just ask. But I will need to buy my new school bag anyway soon, so it's fine. Bye.